Good day. So this is my midterm laboratory 1 and 2, and I'll show you the step-by-step explanation of each code. So I'll start first with even and odd. Um, so this problem's goal is to ask the user to enter 5 numbers, check if each is even or odd, and then count how many are even and how many are odd. So we'll use this function. Ito. So this function checks if the number is divisible by 2. Kung divisible, even. Kung hindi, odd. And now, I'll enter the number. Example. So, ito. It automatically counts the program's even and odd numbers. So, dito, meron akong input na 3 even numbers and 2 odd numbers. Let's move on to the second problem, which is the factorial calculator. So, dito, we define this function that calculates factorial of a number. Remember, factorial is equals to number times all smaller numbers down to 1. So, it multiplies numbers from 1 to n using a loop. Ito yung loop. So, I'll enter here 5. So, ang factorial niya is 120 kasi 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equals to 120. Third problem naman is the simple discount system. So, here we ask for total amount of a purchase, then calculate discounted price using a function. Itong function na to. Tapos, the rule here is if the amount is greater than or equal 1,000, then 10% discount, else walang discount. And also, this function checks if the amount is enough for discount and returns final price. So, I'll enter 1,500. So, since 1,500 is greater than equal 1,000, we get the 10% discount. So, na-apply siya. And then, we have here the 1,350 pesos na lang ang amount. Now, let's move on to the fourth problem, which is the temperature category. So here we ask the user to enter 5 temperature readings, then categorize each as cold, warm, or hot using this function. Tapos, if the temperature is less than 20, then it's cold. If the temperature is within 20 to 30, it's warm. And then greater than 30, it's hot. So I'll try to enter temperatures. So here, the 18 is cold, 25 is warm, 33 is hot, 21 warm, 15 is cold. And finally, the fifth problem, the last one, the number guessing game. So the program asks the user to enter 3 numbers and 3 chances to guess it. So ano siya, nag-generate ng numbers from 1 to 10 and then magbibigay si program ng 3 chances kay user to guess the number. So we use this function to tell if the guess is too low, too high, or correct. So it compares user guess with secret number and returns feedback. Kapag tama yung nakuha mo, then correct, you win, ito yung output. Kapag mali naman, and hindi mo nakuha yung number, ito yung lalabas. Sorry, the number was, and then ilalabas niya yung number. So I'll try to guess the number. Ayan. So the secret number is 1.